Hello, happy December 2nd, second day of Vlogmas. I hope you all had a great day. I'm popping in here a little early in the evening, and today I'm wearing my friend Samantha Guerin's cowl. It matched my sweater nicely, I thought, today, and the jacket I was wearing. This is her Grid Gambit cowl. I have no idea what yarn I used. It was a hand spun that I had of mine, and I don't remember the other base anymore. I'll have to look on Ravelry to see what it was. But anyways, it's nice. It's very cozy. I've had it on all day. It has been very chilly here. I am getting ready to head out this evening to meet a very good friend, Glo. We are headed out for Taco Tuesdays, and then after that we are going to the Lori Lyon concert. So a fun little holiday concert to kick off the month of December and all the holiday festivities. But I have Advents to open, and before I get to that, I wanted to also share real quick. I don't know if you saw my email, if you follow me, if you get my emails or not, if you saw that last week, or if you saw on Instagram yesterday when I posted about my Give Back December. Just want to share real quickly about that. Since today is Giving Tuesday too, every year it kicks off in starting Thanksgiving weekend and goes all the way through the end of December. But I have an event that I've started, this is the 5th year, and I started back in 2020. It's called Give Back December. And for the month of December, a portion of every sale is given to an organization that is important to me. And over the years, those have been different shelters, homeless shelters, food shelves, the indigenous women's groups. And last year and this year, I have chosen to continue to give to Sophie's shelter, her rescue, Coco's Heart. They have continued to bring in so many rescues and many of them in dire need, and I know this happens throughout all of the US and around the world, and they need help, and they have many different animals that are needing surgeries and different things, and helping the fosters to have the right equipment and tools in that to be able to take care of those that are needing a little bit of extra care. Sophie is the sweetest, and she was very fortunate in her rescue situation, but many others are not. And so we try to give back as much as we can throughout the course of the year. And so for the month of December, 100% of samples and D-stash is donated, and $2 of every pattern purchase, and then 30% of net sales of every other product item. So yarn, notions, tools, all of those, and that includes the sale items too, are donated back to Coco's Heart. And I'll post some information below, but there's information on Instagram, and I will also be updating my website with this information too. I've gotten a little behind here the last couple days with my travel schedule, but no pressure. But I just wanted to share that if you are looking for an opportunity to give, or if you're looking for some gifts and also want to give at the same time, that's also another option for you too. And this coming weekend, I will be adding a lot of new things to the site as well, especially sample sales. So I'm going to be doing a big sample sale. It's time to clean out the closet, and it's overflowing, and it's time to part ways with a number of things that have been beautiful to make and share and hold on to, but they need to find some new homes now. So before we open Advents, I wanted to share with you a new pattern that came out last week that I was wearing today too. And I grabbed a sample that I knit for one of my friends. This is such a great gift item if you're looking for gift knitting or something that you need to make quick. You have a holiday party or friends are having you over and you need a quick little item. It's a fun pattern. Super easy. You can get one done in a weekend if you have 4 hours to spare. But this is the Cloudline head wrap. And sorry, Amanda, if you're watching this, I am putting this on. But this is just a fun little, cute little head wrap. Has a fun little knot in here. And perfect for keeping you warm in the wintertime. So wear it with a ponytail, wear it without, however you choose to. It's super cozy. This one I knit using sport weight and some Surrey, and it's in my birdie blue yarn. So you can knit it for any size. So it's great for kids, adults, teens, tweens, all the sizes. So that is in the birdie blue set. And so I have some yarn sets out on I really haven't shared much about this yet. So I thought it'd be fun to just show you guys some fun little yarn things. And these are some this is really one of my favorites. I think I'm going to snag one of these for myself because I love this rose bronze. I think it's just so fun. And knit one of those up for myself. And then there's also this lovely neutral gray too. It's almost a lavender, actually. It's called Lavender Mist, but it's very fun. So great gift items if you're looking for something. And you can gift the kit too. And each kit includes a pattern as well. I wanted to show you too. I spoke pretty quickly yesterday. My House of a la Mode Advent. It's 24... I think there's 24 minis in there. I don't really know for sure. I can't remember. But we're going to guess it. We're going to assume there's 24 minis in there. I am going to design a pattern while we're doing Vlogmas. And so I did wind up the one from last night. I just wound it into a quick little ball here. So that's what it looks like. And then, I have fuzzies this is also where I spin a lot of the time. And then I started casting on, look how pretty that is with the little speckles. There's definitely some, I'm calling this bad boy rose gold. It is so pretty. But anyways, I cast on this. This is all I was able to do so far today. But I will finish section 1 tonight. We're a day behind, but I'll put the instructions out on Instagram, and then I'm also going to add them to the description to day 1 in yesterday's YouTube, and then I'll start to create a Ravelry pattern too that'll get updated daily. I'll have to figure out. Hopefully that wouldn't be too annoying for it to get updated, like you get an update every single day. But so anyways, if anyone wants to knit along with me, I would love that. So with it being out there on Instagram and here on YouTube, that might be the easiest way to follow along. But right now we're going to be a couple days behind, but we'll get caught up before the end of the week. So if you're looking for something to knit with your minis, we will do that. So this is section 1, and it'll be a wrap, like a shawl wrap. I don't know. I don't have it all planned out. I have an idea in my head. So the first section is garter, and then the next section is either going to be an eyelet pattern or a slip stitch pattern. So one or the other. And then it'll probably go back to a garter pattern. But we'll see, because the yarn often speaks to me and how we flow. And I'll probably ask you all too what you think. So with that, let's open our fiber first. So we'll open Vanessa's from Cape May. All right, so this was yesterday's. I was thinking about this all day today. I can't wait I have some fiber on my wheel right now, so I have to get that, finish plying that so I can spin hopefully this weekend. So now we'll open up day number 2. Oh wait, what color was this? This is Welcome to the Jungle. Oh, and then I found this morning she also has a playlist too. So we have some great tunes going on this, and I forgot to play Heather's tunes too the other day. So I'll make up for that today. This is very fun. This is Welcome to the Jungle. How great is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe I'm gonna unbunch this, because I think we need a full effect of this one. Yeah, this is pretty fab. This is going to be very fun. So some little speckles in there. That'll be a great one. All right, so that's 1 and 2. I'm just putting them back in their boxes so that there's slots so I can keep track of them, because I want to do everything together day by day. And then I didn't show this yesterday, but this is how Heather's came in, as I share everything with you. This was included in there. I apologize. I had pulled everything out because I was originally going to travel with it, and then I opted not to. So I'll read the card from you from Heather, and it said, "Welcome aboard. I'm so glad you're here for this little voyage. Think of it as your daily excuse to slow down, tune in, and enjoy something just for you through the holiday chaos. Just a moment to drift. Each package has a QR code sticker on it. Open your phone's camera, point it at the code, and tap the yellow link that pops up. It'll take you right to a YouTube video with the day's yacht rock tune. Hit play, let the music set the mood, and then open your package while it plays. Thanks for all the love and support, Heather. Adrift in December." So very fun. All right. So I kept day 1, but I think I might have just fell on the floor. Oh, wait. I think I might. No, I didn't. I took it off my computer. Oh, no. It's on that screen. All right. So here was day 1. What a Fool Believes. And that goes this lovely colorway. All right. I think it's cute in here. Okay, so let's listen to day 2. Well, we open. Look at this. So this is going to be a lovely little fade. I'll turn that off. So a little bit of a darker rosy gold, if you can see that. See there, you can see that a little bit better. That's going to be really pretty together. Yeah, I think that'll be really nice. So do a little slip stitch. I think we'll do a slip stitch with that next one, or maybe the eyelets. I don't know. I'll play with it a little bit and then decide as we go along. But those are the 2 advents for today. So very fun. It was a busy day catching up at the office, and we had hearing tests today too. We always have those annually for OSHA. I took mine this year. Normally, I haven't taken one in a while because being the office person, working in the office, I don't necessarily have to. But I decided it might be a good idea since it had been a few years. And thankfully, my hearing's still really good. So I can't use that as an excuse if I don't hear something. But no, so we had those today and just getting caught up on things. I packed some orders as well, and those are going out in the mail tomorrow, and just headed to the concert now, dinner and concert now, and then I'll get home and finish section 1, and then maybe I'll be able to start on section 2 a little bit too. So we shall see. But anyways, these were fun, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I will share the rest of my evening with you, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night. Cheers.